Hi there, students. To accrete, a verb. Accretion, the noun or the quality of it. Accretive would be an adjective. Okay, so to accrete is to become more or become bigger over time by addition. So geologists look at the different layers of sediment accreted over millennia, grown one on top of another. Okay, to accrete, to become more, to gradually grow. So yeah, we have an accretion disk. There is a lot of matter, and this matter slowly accretes, gathers together into a sun or into a planet. Yeah, so to gradually grow together, and this is the idea of to accrete, to gradually grow together, to fuse, to merge, to become one. The size of the company increased as it managed to accrete more and more shareholders. Okay, so to become bigger by the addition of something, or to grow together, to stick to. Okay, so to accrete, to join together. Yeah, the earth began to accrete many millions of years ago. The bits joined together and combined and fused. To fuse together. Okay. Yeah, to accrete. So the different pieces began to accrete to each other. If you don't dust your house, then there will be layers of dust accreted all over the place. The accretion of dust can be very rapid. Okay, so to make something stick to add on to. Okay, so to accrete, to become more, to grow together. I guess if you have two branches of a tree that start to rub together, sometimes these two accrete. They actually physically join together and become one part. Or if you have two seeds that grow very close together, they grow up, and as the two seeds become closer, pushed closer and closer together, very often they accrete into one thing. Yeah, unpaid interest was accreting on the account, growing on one bit on top of another on top of another. So, to accrete, a regular verb, it accreted, it has accreted. An accretion, something added externally to make the whole bigger. Okay, it accreted into a solid mass. Yeah, I think the things that go down the drain tend to accrete into a great solid mass, and then you have to use the plunger on your sink. Yeah, I think maybe in law something accretes to something else. Yeah, it's joined to something else. The owner of one thing has the right to ownership to another. So the use of this land accretes to the person who occupies it, not the legal owner. So is transferred to. As to formality, this is a formal word. I'm going to give it 7.5 in formality, something like that. To join together, to build up, something like that informally. And it comes from Latin accretio, add to, and cresco, to grow. So to grow to. And that's the idea. It's linked to the words accrescent, to increase, to accrue, those words are linked to it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Accrete, accretion.